Yes, Steamstress, who made Venezuela Fury 40 feet 12-meter wedding train, has told how she swept for lots of hours in secret and had to research all as it was too big for her workshop. Emily Grant, 38, from Colney, Lancashire, was summoned to a top secret first meeting with the Brit, the daughter of boxer Tyson Fury, and her mum Paris, as she prepared for her first celebrity wedding. Venezuela 16 married Noah Price in a ceremony on Sunday on the Isles of Man, where the Fury family has recollected after decades living in Morecambe. Grant said Venezuela loved her dress and it all came together beautifully and she looked absolutely amazing. The train work was subcontracted to Grant, who has run her own business, Sue in Love, for 11 years by Lancashire based bridal boutique Avaros Hamilton. I was a bit nervous at first and didn't know what to expect, but the Fury family were lovely, she told BBC Radio Lancashire. Grant, who has been a seamstress for 15 years, said she had been sworn to secrecy after the first phone call, which was difficult as she was not good at keeping secrets. She said, the train was the longest I have ever done, so the first task was to overcome the logistical problem. My mom's search in Bornholm Swick kindly let me use the church hall, she said. She had to lay all the fabric out flat, diagonally, as it was even too long for Brunswick Independent Methodist Church Hall. I turned it round pretty quickly from first fitting to completion in 5 weeks, she said. It was a hell of a lot of hours, lot of working late, lot of saving. I was doing that alongside all my other brides this summer, so I have been very busy creating the Pistol Train, which has been widely celebrated on social media. The newspapers on TV saw 3 layers of fabric, a full layer of lace laid out with the lace detailing all around the edging. The full length was hand spun by Grant to make it nice.